Let's learn how to blend sounds. Ah, 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 ah. Mm, 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 mm. Am. Now say it fast. Am. Am. Now let's say it slow and then fast. Am. 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 S. 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 Ah. Am. 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 N. 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 Ah. N. Ah. N. Am. 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 An. 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 F. 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 Ah. S. N. Fan. 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 Am. I'm going to say some sounds and I want you to blend them together into a word. At. Now say it fast. At. At. Say it fast. At. Fat. At. Now you say it fast. At. Sat. Let's try some more words. K. An. Say it fast. K. An. Can. K. At. Now you say it fast. K. At. Cat. B. At. Say it fast. B. At. Bat. Er. Er. F. S. N. Ah. An. Ran. An. Ran. B. Ah. Ba. Bad. Bad. K. Ah. Ca. Cad. Cad. D. Ah. Da. Dad. Dad. F. Fa. Fad. Fad. Ha. Had. Had. Lad. Lad. A lad means a boy. I'm going to say some more words slowly, and now you say them fast. At. Say it fast. At. Rat. At. Say it fast. At. Hat. At. Say it fast. At. Pat. Ah. Ma. Mad. Mad. rad, rad. Sa, sad, sad. Ta, tad, tad. Ca, cab, cab. D, dab, dab. J, jab, jab, jab. Lab, lab. Nab, nab. Tab, tab. Bag, bag. I'm going to say some words slowly, and you say them fast. Al, pal. A pal is a friend. Am, jam. A jam is a fruit spread you put on top of toast. Tan, tan is a color. It's a light brown. Gag, gag. Jag. Lag. Nag. Sag. Tag. Wag. Gal. Pal. A pal is a friend. I'm going to say some words slowly. You say them fast. At. Say it fast. At. Cat. At. Say it fast. At. Rat. An. You say it fast. Ban. Bam. Cam. Ham. Jam. Pam. Pam is a name. That's why it has a capital letter. Ram. ram. Y, yeah, yam, yam. B, ba, ban, ban. Ca, can. I'm going to say a word. I want you to change the first letter of the word to a new word. Our first word is cat. Get rid of the k sound and replace it with the letter r. What word do you get? Cat becomes rat. Our next word is bag. Get rid of the b, the b sound, and replace it with the letter s. Bag becomes sag. Bag becomes sag. Let's do another word. Start with the word man. Get rid of the and replace it with the letter r. Man becomes ran. Our next word is sat. Get rid of the s sound and replace it with b. Sat becomes bat. Da, Dan. Dan is a name, so it has a capital letter. Ma, man. Pa, pan. Ran. Tan is a light brown color. Van. Cap. A cap is a hat. Gap. Lap. Map. Nap. Rap. Sap. Tap. Bat. Cat. Fat. Hat. I'm going to give you a word. I want you to change the first sound of the word to a new word. Our first word is gal. Get rid of the first sound, g, and replace it with the sound p. Gal becomes pal. Our next word is man. Get rid of the first sound, the and replace it with b. Man becomes ban. Mat. Pat. Rat. Rat. Sa. Sat. Sat. That. That. Facts. Facts. Max. Max. Max is short for maximum. Tax. Tax. Wax. Wax. I'm going to give you a word. I want you to change the last sound of the word. Our first word is ran. Get rid of the last sound and replace it with t. Ran becomes rat. Our next word is pal. Get rid of the ul sound and replace it with t. Pal becomes pat. Let's try another word. Our word is can. Get rid of the last sound and replace it with t. Can becomes cat. Our next word is tax. Get rid of the last sound, the x sound, and replace it with p. Tax becomes tap.